Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Today I'll show you quick gameplay from Pokemon Go. Let me introduce you to that game, but firstly I'll turn on location. Okay, so as you can see, right here in the center we've got our character. These dark lines are streets, and this green fields is our buildings and parks, etc. So, as you can see right here, we've got two Pokemons to catch. Maybe let's begin with them. There are two types of throwing of Pokeball. Firstly is curved. It's a little harder but more effective. And the second one is throwing it straight. Okay, we've got him. Let's go to the second Pokemon. Right here. We can also use berries. There are different types of berries. Right now I've got only two, raspberry and nanap berry. The first one, raspberry, helps you to catch Pokemon. It makes it easier to catch. And the second one, it makes it less aggressive. So let's try to catch him. Okay, we've got him. That's all about catching Pokemons. Let's go further to Pokestops. As you can see on the map, all these blue points on map are Pokestops. If you tap on them, you can get rewards for spinning this icon, but right now my bag is full. Also on map we've got gyms where we can fight between teams. Okay, let's tap on our character. In here we've got our statistics, levels, distance, Pokemon caught, Pokestops visited, total XP, and different things. Also, we've got our friends. We can send them gifts, battle them, and trade with them. Let's tap here. As you can see, here we've got some specific menu. For example, we can see all our Pokemons, our Pokédex, shop, our items, and we can battle with different teams. What's left is quests. In here we've got quests divided to 3 species: Today, Field and Special. And if you tap here, you got possible area of different Pokemons. And that's it for the beginning. If you like this video, please hit the thumb up, comment and subscribe.